Well, I'm Vice-Admiral Michiel Hofman, and I'm the Vice Chief of Defense. Well, we are a defense organization of a little bit less than 30,000 people, organized around 4 services: the Army, the Air Force, the Navy and the medical service, supported by, of course, all the resource providers. And the major equipment of all services are being replaced in the coming years. Well, we are since more than 25 years we are involved on all major theaters. And if we look at the theaters where we are deployed today, of course we are present in the Middle East. We have been deploying our F-16 fighters until last year, together with the Dutch Air Force, and we are currently also present with an army detachment in the context of the partnership building, capability development of the Iraqi forces. We are of course present in Afghanistan since the beginning of the crisis. In Afghanistan now in the Resolute Support mission, and we are deployed mainly in the northern region. With some reconnaissance detachment, and we are also present with strategic advisors in Kabul, in the capital. Our main effort for the moment is in Sahel region, where for the moment we are providing the force commander for the UN mission MINUSMA, where we have an important contingent. We just redeployed helicopters from the operations, from that operation, but we still have a transport C-130 deployed over there until next year, and we are also deployed with reconnaissance troops detachment together with our partners, German and the Dutch. We are also deployed in the main EU operations when we can, of course, with ships, but with staff officers also. We are deployed in the Baltic region with F-16 for the Baltic air policing mission, but also in the coming weeks we will deploy an infantry company in one of those countries as part of the enhanced forward presence of a NATO operation. And let's not forget all the multiple initiatives that we have in Africa, with bilateral agreements with some countries like Tunisia or Niger. Of course, we have also some initiatives in a NATO context. We have some bilateral activities also on that continent. So we are spread all over the world, of course. And last but not least, of course, we are still present in homeland, in Belgium itself, securing the cities of Brussels, Antwerp and Charleroi. The current government decided or developed the strategic vision for the Belgian defense, with a total of more than 9 billion euros as investment. And the major programs are really covering all the capacities. And if I take the services one after the other, in the Army we are waiting for, let's say, the political decisions around the replacement of the land capacity, the motorized capacity, together with France. It's the programme CAMO. Capacité motorisée, as we say in French. That's, let's say, a major transformation of the Army. In the Air Force, the first transport aircraft, A400M, will be delivered in Belgium around 2020, 2021. We are partner in the MRTT program, but of course, the biggest program which takes a lot of attention on political point of view is the replacement of the fighter, where we are also, let's say, in a final phase of political decision process. And in the Navy, the two major capacities, the replacement of the frigates, the surface combatants, and the replacement of the mine countermeasure vessels has been principally approved also, and we will replace those capacities together with the Dutch Navy.